What makes Sung Jinwoo so strong? It's not just his powers, it's not just the system, it's the way he transformed himself from the weakest hunter to the most feared existence in the solo leveling world. And the truth is, you can follow the same path. Because Jinwoo isn't just a character, he's a blueprint. A reminder that the world doesn't hand you power. It forces you to earn it through suffering, through sacrifice, and through relentless action. This isn't going to be some vague motivational talk. No. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide on how you can train like Sung Jinwoo. His discipline, his mindset, his daily grind, the very systems he built around himself to survive and dominate. So if you've ever felt stuck, weak, or invisible, this is your wake-up call. You'll walk away with the exact steps to start leveling up in your own life. Section 1. How to get stronger every day. Most people never start because they feel too weak, overthink, and mentally stuck in a life that seems unfair. They watch others succeed while they struggle just to get out of bed. Every day feels heavy, like the world is moving forward without them. Even Sung Jinwoo started at the bottom, mocked and ignored, a shadow among hunters. He had no power, no edge, and yet he transformed. Not by luck, but doing these things. Step 1. Start your day right. Each morning is a new checkpoint. Move your body, tackle one important task, and claim a small win before the world steals your energy. As Epictetus said, no man is free who is not master of himself. The momentum you create in the morning spreads through your entire day. It ripples across like water. Step 2. Choose what you'll do no matter what. Think of these as your armor. Workout. Practice a skill. Focus on work. Jinwoo survived dungeons because he had no choice but to train. Find the things you need to do, then stick to it. Step 3. Get rid of excuses. Every choice is a stone in your path. Some slow down, some block you. Remove them. Don't overthink it. Just act. Jinwoo didn't pause in life or death fights. His path was clear. Clear your path and you'll get more done than you think. Step 4. Win small, win often. Even every tiny victory counts. Stack them daily. Jinwoo grew in small relentless steps, each fight adding to his power. Your wins stacked like building blocks, forming a strong pillar of confidence. Soon, non-monsters, even people who doubt you can shake your tower. Step 5. Track your progress. Watch your growth like numbers climbing on a scoreboard. Jinwoo saw his stats rise. You can track habits, workouts, or skills. Every step matters. Write it in your notes. Even when you do push-ups, write down what you can do now, then compare it a week from now. The point is tracking. You never know what you're capable of if you don't know what to compare it to. Keep moving, because each small win stacks motivation and momentum. Discipline builds the foundation, but it's not just enough on its own. Jinwoo didn't just train, he built a system that forced him to grow every day. But that's not enough. Section 2. Design your life like a game. Our life is our canvas. We design how we want to live. Sung Jinwoo had a system that helped him see his stats and level up. But you can replicate the same thing. If you want to have a dirty room, then let the bad habits stack. Don't clean it, let the dust pile up, and wait for motivation until you turn it around and do it all over again. Let's reverse it. If you stack good habits like not letting it pile up, you will always have a clean room and never suffer having to clean a whole pile of mess. Since you're responsible for the outcomes you have, how do you make the most out of this? Step 1. Cut distractions. Don't spend too much time online. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Focus on one task at a time. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Control your focus and you control your life. It's easier to focus when you're not constantly drowning in noise. People make the mistake of going too easy on themselves, saying just one scroll or just one binge. Don't. You're shooting yourself in the foot. Soon enough, you'll catch yourself wasting on an hour on something you didn't plan to. Step 2. A clean space. What made your space dirty in the first place? It all started with one simple choice, then it stacks up over the days. Don't just clean your room when it gets super dirty. Prevent it from happening. You'll save energy too. You won't have to clean a super dirty space because you already practice good habits that prevent that. Step 3. Make good habits easy. Put your workout clothes where you can see them. Can't work out? Just go for a walk outside. Prep meals ahead if you can. Schedule your work, but at the same time, don't stress it. Just do it. The more energy you waste planning, the more your competition has the advantage. Sung Jinwoo didn't waste energy thinking about other hunters and how good they were. He acted regardless. Make the right choice, the easy choice. Step 4. Free up your mind. Don't fully rely on your brain, because it's always going to be thinking. Too much thinking doesn't have space to think of other things. So use apps or notes to your advantage. Free up your thinking and you get more stuff done. Set little reminders to start tasks. For example, going on Google Calendar to set a simple task to read, then add a reminder. Or put on your headphones to focus, or leave a notebook out to write every night. These small signals guide your actions like Sung Jinwoo's system. Step 5. Track your progress. Check your habits and goals every day. Jinwoo saw his stats update instantly. You can track your growth too. Seeing wins keeps you motivated. The more feedback you get, the more you keep moving and improving. So don't stress about making it perfect. When Jinwoo was training, his style obviously wasn't perfect, but he was able to grow and improve because of these. Life like a game isn't about being perfect. It's about making a system that works for you. Every small action adds up. Just like Sung Jinwoo leveling up in the dungeons, your effort levels you up in real life. So here's the catch. It's all fun in games at first, but when you're in it, it gets hard. And here's what you do. Section 3. Turn pain into power. Most people quit when things get hard. They stop when it hurts, when it's boring, or even when they fail. Sung Jinwoo didn't. Every dungeon, every fight, every betrayal made him stronger. He used pain as a tool, not an excuse. The more time you waste using excuses and putting the blame on others is the time you could have used to level yourself up. Yes, they wronged you, but it's still your choice for holding onto that. So let go. Turn that pain into energy. Here's how. Step 1. You have to seek discomfort. Do something that scares you or challenges you every day. Try a hard workout, learn something new, or speak up when it's uncomfortable. Bruce Lee says, do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a hard one. Jinwoo grew because he faced danger, not ran from it. Step 2. Train your body daily. Even small exercises matter. Jinwoo trained constantly to survive dungeons. You can start with push-ups, stretching, or walking. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect, just do what you can. If you can't do push-ups, then do an easier variant. What matters is you get it done, because a stronger body is a stronger mind. Step 3. Write your thoughts. Keep a journal to track challenges, failures, and lessons. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius wrote every day to understand themselves. Jinwoo studied battles. You can study your own life. Reflection turns pain into wisdom. If you keep it locked inside your head, you would risk those thoughts being the main point and miss out space for greater ideas. Step 4. Learn from failure. Don't feel shame when you mess up. Treat failures like data. Jinwoo gains stats from every defeat. Look at your mistakes and figure out what went wrong, and adjust. Every loss is a step forward. Remember, pain is not the enemy. Avoiding it is. Every struggle is training for your future self. Face it, learn from it, and use it to grow stronger. Just like Jinwoo, you can turn your hardest battles into your greatest power.